This week in the BAS hangar, it is packed all over again. Dave and the mechanics are hard at work disassembling each aircraft, and each aircraft tells a story. We're going to get as many salvageable parts out of these airplanes as we can, because that keeps many other aviators in the sky all over the world. They're pulling every salvageable part. We're cleaning, we're looking at them good, we're making them available for sale. If you need something, now's the time to get in touch, because you know the good stuff goes fast. Now first up, we have this Cessna 172S. Now this is the most built general aviation aircraft ever, and for good reason. Now the engine on this aircraft is already sold, but we got lots of goodies coming from this airplane. Lots of cabin, lots of control services, lots of control features, lots of avionics. It's got a Garmin transponder, it's got a King multifunction display and audio panel. It's also got dual King radios and a KLN GPS. Lots of good stuff. If you need 172S parts, call us now. Next up, we have this Mooney M20M Bravo. Now this airplane is known for its speed and efficiency. This one lands in this shop after an off-airport landing and a prop strike. Now it's got lots of goodies. It's got a Garmin GTN 750 and a GTX 345 audio panel, and we're gonna get all the other goodies, all the interior, control surfaces, landing gear. If you're a Mooney owner, you know these parts go fast, so get in touch. Now over in the corner, we have a Beechcraft K35 Bonanza. This is one of the most iconic general aviation aircraft ever, and this one comes to us out of a cornfield. The engine is not prop struck, and it is available, and we get every other system out of this aircraft. Landing gear, control services, all of the interior, all of the avionics, lots of Beech Bonanza parts coming from this airplane. And finally, a Piper PA-23-160 Apache. Now this was the beginning of Piper's twin-engine legacy that went on for a very long time. This aircraft lands in our shop after it was totaled, and we're going to get lots of good stuff from it. Both engines, landing gear, interior, control components, control yokes. It's got lots of good Apache gear coming off. If you're in need, you know where to call.